In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Outlook emails to new computer. We'll walk through exporting your messages from Outlook on the web and saving them in a format you can move and open on your new device. I'll keep it simple and give helpful context along the way so nothing is left unclear. Start by opening your browser and going to outlook.live.com. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first so you land in your Outlook account. If you see the app switcher or a link for mail, click Mail to make sure you're in the email view rather than Calendar or another app. Next, head to your inbox so you can pick the message you want to take with you. Click the email to select it and open its message pane. With the message selected, look for the three dots, often labeled More Actions, typically near the top of the message area. This menu contains additional options you don't see on the main toolbar. Click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Download. When the download options appear, select Download as EML. An email file is a standard email file that preserves the message content, headers, and most attachments, and it can be opened in many email apps, including Outlook on your new computer. Your browser will save the file to your default downloads folder, unless you've set it to ask for a location each time. After the file finishes downloading, it's a good idea to rename it to something meaningful, like the subject and date, so it's easy to recognize later. If you're moving several messages, repeat the same process for each one. To stay organized, consider creating a dedicated folder on your computer called Outlook Transfers and place all your EML files there. Once you've saved the emails you need, move that folder to your new computer using your preferred method, such as a USB drive or a secure cloud storage service. On the new computer, open Outlook and double-click an EML file to view it. If your system asks which app to use, choose Outlook. The message will open with its formatting intact and attachments will be accessible as usual. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Large emails with many attachments might take a bit longer to download, so give them time to complete. Keep your internet connection stable during downloads, and if you plan to archive many messages, transfer them in batches so you can verify everything arrives as expected. That's it. Your emails are now saved and ready to use on your new computer.